Whew. Gravity on Earth is tough. But have you ever dreamed of having super strength? What if I told you that on the moon, you'd basically be a superhero? Why is it so hard to jump high here? Because of gravity. Think of gravity like a giant, invisible magnet inside the Earth that's always pulling your sneakers back to the ground. But the moon is much smaller than Earth, so its magnet is much weaker. In fact, it's 6 times weaker. That means if you can jump over a small puddle on Earth, on the moon, you'd soar high enough to jump over a car, a tall fence, or even a small house. You'd feel as light as a marshmallow. Even though you'd be wearing a heavy, clunky spacesuit, you'd still be able to bounce around like you're on the world's biggest trampoline. Just don't forget to come back down. So, who's ready for a moon vacation? Tell me what you'd jump over in the comments. See you in orbit.